Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
The reign of the work week is over. Now it's your time. When everyone comes home late together, and staying up after bedtime means something different than overtime. Be on your own schedule in a 2020 Miramar from Thor Motor Coach. The closest you'll get to a meeting out here is a family meeting, planning out the day. This is the perfect spot to hold one. Right here, under the power awning on the Miramar, you even have one over your entry door. And you can put those awnings out using your phone or tablet with Rapid Camp Plus. This is your all-in-one control center. Dim the lights or turn them all off, room by room. Extend or retract slides. Turn on your ACs or furnace, open and close vents. Monitor your tank levels. Set your auto gen start. Look at your power. Are you running on 50 amp shore power or on the 1800 watt inverter? Raise and lower your bunk and TV. Use the full color touchscreen or remote panels, or download the app to your phone or tablet and have control from inside or outside your Miramar. Now that you have some shade, reach into the large pass-through storage bays. Pull out your chairs, the cooler. Grab a bowl of popcorn, maybe catch a movie on the TV with soundbar. When everyone is ready to eat, hook up the grill to the exterior propane connection and make those burgers everyone talks about. It's been a great day out here. But what do you say we move inside and take a tour of all the great features the Miramar offers? You'll find thoughtful floor plans with a variety of seating choices made to fit every family. Every Miramar has a dream dinette. Have a seat and play a game. Enjoy a meal. Or simply drop the table and make a homey place to sleep for the night. Need an extra blanket? Keep one in the pull-out storage underneath. You can never go wrong with a comfortable sofa. The Miramar has got what you need when it's time to unwind or call it a day, as you are just a minute away from making the sofa into a cozy bed. A great set of theater seats are an option when you are in the mood to just kick back and relax in front of the electric fireplace with space heater, or take in a movie on the TV with Blu-ray player. In the kitchen, you are surrounded by everything that makes a galley great. You have all the cooking space you need with the solid surface countertops and sink covers for the double bowl stainless steel sink. With a convection microwave and a 2-burner gas range with single induction burner, everyone gets a hot meal. Capping it off, the residential fridge with ice maker. Step into the bathrooms of the Miramar. Yes, bathrooms, because some floor plans offer you a bath and a half. All have the space and privacy you want. You have a shower with glass door and skylight, a sink surrounded by the counter space you need. You'll find a medicine cabinet, and it is always nice to have a place for those extra towels. Every bedroom in the Miramar is equipped with a king-size bed. Some floor plans have a tilt-a-view bed. You always have easy access to the large closets, and you'll find USB charging ports in the nightstands and in the dresser tops. For those who need sleeping quarters for the whole crew, the Miramar offers a bunkhouse model. Each bunk has its own TV, and you have the standard drop-down overhead bunk. These bunks also make for an incredibly large closet, and the Miramar is ready for your washer and dryer. Throughout the Miramar, the high-gloss glazed cabinets are always ready to stow away all your gear. Right now, the captain's chairs are in vacation mode. You have the table set up, a mug of your favorite tea, but spin them around and get into driving mode. This cockpit is ready for all your driving demands. The 10-inch media control center features Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity for streaming or hands-free calls. You also have a dedicated port to plug in your phone and take control of the smart screen controlled navigation. Conveniently located are your one-touch leveling jacks, controls for your heated remote mirrors, and a place for your phone. The flip-up workstation is equipped with 110 and 12-volt outlets, so whether you are on the road or at camp, it's a wonderful place to work or play. Both made easier with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 Wi-Fi extender 4G hotspot. Setting up your own safe, secure internet connection while you are on the road has never been easier. So let's dive into that road trip. In the Miramar, you are powered by a Ford F53 chassis with a 3-valve 6.8-liter Triton V10 with 320 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed transmission, and it's equipped with an 8,000-pound hitch. The Miramar is built stronger with the MORride true flat floor foundation, so you can rest easy knowing you have a solid house from the bottom to the top of your one-piece roof where your 2 ACs sit and solar prep is waiting. Speaking of waiting, isn't it time to schedule your trip? This is the 2020 Miramar from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Miramar floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?